Hi, this is Ben, and we're looking at Lego set 21141, the Minecraft Zombie Cave. 241 pieces, and this set comes with a Steve minifigure, a zombie, and a baby zombie. There's also a bat. This is a really neat setting. If we spin it around, you can see the inside of the cave with lava flow, some more ore, and even some TNT. So let's look at some of the action features of this set. You can explode the TNT by pressing this lever. And also you can make the gravel blocks fall by pulling out this lever. 2-bag set, but it does only come with one set of instructions. This looks great on display all by itself, or it can be combined with other sets to make an even bigger Minecraft display. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.